Hello everyone, good evening. This is Vijay here. Yesterday I posted a beginning introduction video on how to switch careers to AI from my perspective as a database administrator and a programmer and system administrator for the past 20 years. In yesterday's video, I spoke about the mathematical fundamentals involved in switching over to AI and what are the math core concepts that one needs to master. And today I'm going to take it to the next step and tell you what to do with those math concepts that you just mastered. What kind of how you put this math concepts and mathematical tools into practice using some kind of a programming interface, and what are the main programming languages that you need to know in order to have a successful career in AI ML. Rather than going that far, I would even prefer to say that these are essential languages that you need to know, and anybody who aspires to have a career in AI should have a very well defined working knowledge of these three languages, and those are Python, R, and Java. R, though, is primarily used for statistical analysis and statistical methods and gathering. Python is something where you can easily write small and very powerful scripting programs, which has the ability to process a huge volume of data and has excellent mathematical functions inbuilt in the language, and a whole array of libraries available in GitHub that you can use, that somebody has already utilized it, and it has been validated by many across the world. This is an excellent way where you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Rather, you can use the tools that is already available to you, try, test it, and been working in the real world for so many years. And this would greatly give you a head start. See, when I started my career, we never had anything of this kind. If we had to do it, it had to be done from scratch. But today, that's not the case anymore. You have working models, different prototypes at different complexities that are available to you, which is already ready-made and shared on GitHub and on other college level platforms too. So make use of that. So if you want to, let's say a basic example of calculating the variance in data. Okay, there are already built functions available for that, so you don't have to implement that mathematical formula step by step in code. So that code is available. But if you don't understand the way that code operates or the way the code works, if you don't have a working knowledge of actually having to, it should be like reading a book, and you should know what it does and why it does it. If you don't have this working knowledge, you can't build upon it, which is why it is very imperative that you develop working knowledge in these three languages: Python, R, and Java. Java, I'm pretty sure most of you know, and Python is not a very difficult language to learn. It has a very short learning curve, and it is a very exciting language because it's so powerful. And same is the case with R. R, there is so much you can do with R. You can the amount of data set that is being processed by using R code is unbelievable. So these three languages are excellent tools for any AI novice who wants to build a career in AI, this is definitely the next step that you would need to master after you hone your mathematical skills that we talked about yesterday. So this is I would like to conclude my video here, but because I don't want to digress more on this, tomorrow we can talk about something else that would be a natural progression from learning from as a result of learning these languages, and where we can apply this and how we can apply this. And we can also talk about some of the scenarios that these tools can help you accomplish. So until tomorrow, bye-bye.